Hey guys, so I just woke up and I'm just super tired right now. Like, I really don't feel like I want to wear makeup or do my hair today because, you know, there's really no point, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I think I'm just not gonna wear makeup to school today, okay? Alright, see you guys later, bye. So I usually take my showers the night before and I hate gluing my hair at night because I just go put a towel on and then it looks like this in the morning. So I just like to brush through it, and then I use this like keratin spray. This stuff is really, really good. It smells really good. We're gonna blow dry my hair first and then we're gonna style it. So guys, once your hair looks like this, you're good. That's all you need to do. This tutorial is over, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please subscribe. We're just kidding. So now we're gonna go to my room and get on with the good stuff. Just because it got super cold in here, so I put on a sweatshirt while I do my makeup. I parted my hair in the middle so that it's like already up out of my face when I'm gonna do my makeup and then ready for whenever I start my hair. You guys are probably wondering why I'm actually filming this at 5:30 in the morning. Well, today is Friday, and so I decided that this video should be raw and you guys should see what I actually do for my hair, my makeup. And I don't actually wake up at 5:30 in the morning, but to have time to be able to talk during this video and like take my time, I just wanted to get up early. I won't be struggling and be late to school. My makeup tutorial is very simple. This is like the same way I do my makeup every single day whenever I do wear makeup. The absolute very first thing that I do before I put on any makeup is Confidence in Eyes CC cream. I have super bad dark circles, so I love putting this on. It just moisturizes them and it just feels really good and cool on my face. To moisturize my face, I'm going to be using this Shea Moisture Moisturizer. Oh, I think I may have used a little too much. This is not conditioner, Yasmine. You need to put some of this back. What am I filming again? Oh yeah, my makeup. Okay. Alright, let's start with the makeup, guys. The very first thing I do is put on my Bye Bye Pores It Cosmetics concealer. Okay, so after I have that, I just put like a healthy amount on both under my eyelids. I take a damp beauty blender and I kind of blend downwards, and I kind of like, instead of going out, I like to bring it down like in a triangle form. Beauty blender and just go on top of my eyelids. Okay, after the concealer is done, so I actually don't put on like any powder after I'm done with my concealer. I leave it like that. I know that's really weird, and I know that makeup gurus right now are probably cringing at me, but I don't like to put any powder on because I don't like a matte finish on my face. I like a nice like dewy glowy finish, you know what I mean? I actually don't put on any, and it just look it looks like I have like a glossy highlight on right now, and I don't. It's just the concealer doing its magic. Laugh Love Live, and it's like a bronzer, highlight, and blush palette. So I take my angle brush up, and then I just go up and over. I just go everywhere, you know? You gotta go a little crazy with it because that's how you wanna get that bronze finish look. With the blush, and I just go up into my cheekbones and up to where I was just bronzing. This part of the brush, and I go into the highlighter, and I just and then I put some highlight on my nose, and then I put some highlight on my, I like to take my Milk makeup. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. Look at that packaging. I love their packaging. It looks like that, and it's just very like, it has a nice beautiful glow to it. And I take this and I put it on my eyelids. You can see how my eyes are kind of like glossier, and I love like a glossy look. On top of that, I take my eyeshadow brush and I go back in with some bronzer and I just go into my creases. Yeah, so nothing special, but I just do like to have like some bronzed lids. I think it just makes the whole face look a little bit extra bronzer, you know. I take my Anastasia Brow Wiz, I take the angle brush part and I just brush up and over. And I don't do anything else. I don't like to do my eyebrows because I just don't. I'm not an eyebrow gal, even though I probably should be, but I'm not. Take my mascara and we finish a nice look with some mascara. And for the finishing touch, I take my NYX matte finish spray, and I know that I just said I don't like matte finishes, but the spray is actually really good and it doesn't really leave a matte finish. It kind of just sets it, you know. Where is it? Okay, the spray wasn't actually touching my face. I don't know where it went. So the makeup part is done. So let me show you guys what the finished look looks like.
Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen.
Okay. Yeah, that is how I do my makeup for like days like this that are like Fridays, and I feel like looking nice-ish, you know. You don't have to wear makeup to school. Everyone has their like, well, some people like to look super good for school every day. Some people don't give a fuck. Some people like are in the middle, have their days, you know. I'm one of those people that have my days. Either I look really, really bad, either I look okay, or I just feel like today's the day I want to look nice. Okay, so this next part is super requested. Well, we're asking me how I did my hair for my back to school video. If I ever do my hair, it's usually always waved. Like, I do straighten my hair during the winter time, but during the summertime, it's way too humid for me to straighten my hair. It'll just poof up and look like this afterwards. So I either wear it natural, or I wear it in like a ponytail or a bun, or I actually just wave it. And so most of the time I wave it because I just like the way it looks. And for me, I can wave my hair one day and it'll last me 2 days. That's really disgusting, but it's true. My hair just holds curls really well. This is the wand I use. It's called Absolute Heat, and I know everyone was like asking me about this. I literally got this at Marshall's for $20, not lying. It was on sale, and it's actually really, really good. You just press that and you like can go up to like, I think 4 or something. I don't know, like it's crazy amount, but I usually like to leave it at $3.90. Just so I don't feel too guilty about killing my hair, and so I just wait for it to heat up, and I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair. So the curling iron is heated up to $3.90, and I literally burn myself with this every single morning. So if I burn myself a few times, don't be concerned, guys. It's a morning routine, you know. So the first thing I like to do with my hair is tone it down a little bit. I have these pieces over here that are super curly, so I like to just go to them, and I take like this, the clasp part, as like a straightener. So I like just straighten them down a little bit, because I feel like before you curl your hair, you should tone your hair down a little bit so that it's not like, I don't know, so it just doesn't look crazy. So this is like the really big step for how I curl my hair. 2 ways that I put my hair around the wand while I'm doing it. So the first way I like to do it is I wrap it 3 times, pull to the root, and I leave like about an inch out, inch or more than an inch. That's just how I prefer to do it, so it doesn't look like pageant curls. It looks just like a casual day, like no one thinks I'm trying too hard. Maybe this piece will be better to show you guys an example. And yeah, this is a good example. So it's like really nicely curled at the top, and it's just like straighter towards the bottom, and it loosens up in the roots, so really it just looks like some nice huge big waves. And so the second part that I like to do my hair is I take like a little bit bigger part of it, about this much, and this is like what I like to do like on the bottom pieces. Like my trick is, so for these bottom pieces, I curl my hair like one specific way so that it looks longer than the top part, because if you curl your hair and like it's like super tight curls, it just appear shorter. So I like to, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I take big parts like this, and I wrap it around twice instead of 3 times. I only wrapped it 3 times just to show you guys how I do the top part, but I guess I could do that anyway. So I wrap it around twice, leave that bottom inch, and then take it off, and it looks like a really just big like wave, and I like that. I like that look, and look, it's obviously longer than the other 2 curls. Do it. Okay, so I'm done with the bottom half of the hair. I just wanted to show you guys what it should look like if you just wrap it around twice and leave that 1 inch out. It just has this really nice pretty wave to it. We're gonna start on the top part of the hair. So easy breezy beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna brush it all out. End. Yeah, so I'm gonna curl the other side of my hair and then I'll talk to you guys after. Hey guys, I am done with my hair. This is the finished look. Just looks very natural and wavy and cute and I just love it. This is how I always do my hair for school if I do it nice for school, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna get my outfit on and show you guys what I wear today. Wearing this blue and red and white kind of like flannel crop thingy. It's really, really comfortable. My jeans are from ASOS, and then I'm just wearing my Adidas Stan Smiths. Yep, this is the Friday fit. Alright guys, I'd love to stay and chat, but your girl needs to go get some caffeine and your girl needs to go to school now, unfortunately. So happy Friday, everyone. I hope it was a good one. I hope your day at school today, if you went to school today, if your school sucks like mine, I hope it was good. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you guys out. If you're looking for a good back to school makeup and hair tutorial for you, girl, you know I got you. So yeah, I really hope this was helpful, and yeah, okay, I really need coffee because I have no idea what I'm saying right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked what you see, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please leave some comments down below if you guys want to see more back to school videos, or I don't even know if you guys want me to take you to school with me like I did on my back to school videos. So just let me know, you know. Just let your girl know so I can give the people what they want. Now I have to go to school, so yeah, I need chapstick, my chips. Okay, I need coffee. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this. I love you so much.